All right, Stanley, we have a new procedure we're going to try to help you with your goals, okay? Our goal is to work on your behavior and control yourself and your emotions so you can communicate respectfully and stay in the school building where it's safer for you, okay? So I made a visual schedule for you. This is your daily routine. We can change it around and move it as things changes, but we start your day on Mondays in your homeroom. So you check in with Miss Lindsay, and then your transition time is just your hallway time. You got a little extra time to transition there because you're going to check in with Mr. Ellis in the morning, and we're going to do this check-in, check-out form. This is just to chart your behavior. You've seen other kids in the school use this behavior chart, and you're just going to have each teacher sign it at the end of the class period to see how your behavior went and how you did in your target and your goals. So your main goal is to be safe and be respectful when you're communicating your emotions. And so the teacher will say yes or no if you did that. And then if you did really well is the super happy face, just a tiny smile for you did good. And then the frowny face is, uh-oh, it didn't go so well, okay? And the teacher can write comments. And then at the end of the day, you're going to check in with Mr. Ellis at 3:20 right here. And he will sign it and he will chat with you about how your day went. But this is just kind of to track your behavior. And it doesn't mean you're in trouble. It just means you're going to talk to Mr. Ellis and see how it went. And see if we can problem solve to help you out better, okay? Okay. So homeroom transition, your check-in time with Mr. Ellis. And then on Mondays we do art classes for activities, and then we transition in the hallway to reading intervention, and then lunch, and then math. And so if things change on your schedule, or if there's an assembly or something, we'll just put new pictures on there so you know what to do and you know ahead of time when things are going to change, okay? So in the morning, our check-in, check-out, I told you about that. That goes with Mr. Ellis, and then you carry this form with you all day long so we can see how you do in those three periods of activity, lunchtime, and math intervention, okay? And then I have this new chart we're going to try about helping you communicate your emotions, and it's really simple. So if you are feeling mad or sad or silly or happy or scared or tired or surprised, excited, bored, worried, different things, you can point to how you're feeling on your flashcards, and you don't even have to tell me. So if you're feeling frustrated and you don't want to do math, you could point to mad and you could say, just point your pencil to it and you could say, I'm feeling mad. And then we will practice some breathing techniques, okay? So our last thing is the breathing techniques. So when I do the signal, do a 4 on your heart like this. When I do the signal, that just means let's calm down and practice. And we can go for a walk when we do it. Do you want to walk around or you just want to stay here? Walk around. Okay. So we're going to walk around while we do it because we would be practicing this in the hallway. So we're going to put our hand over our heart and we're just going to breathe in for 4 seconds. So are you ready? I'll count when you breathe in. Ready? Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got all that air out? Okay, do you feel a little calmer? Mm-hmm. Okay, check it out a little bit. Are you ready to go back to class? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go meet with Miss Lindsay and let's see how your day goes.